So today we are doing our Foster Love Grant project that I applied for back in October. I was awarded funds from the Hambrick Foundation. So this grant was designed for us to be able to decorate duffel bags through an organization called Foster Love. And this organization provides duffel bags to kids in foster care.
So foster care is for different reasons. Sometimes a kiddo cannot live with their parent. Okay, so they might go to stay with somebody else while they work on fixing that problem that took them out of the home. So they might go stay with a grandma or a grandpa, a different family member, or sometimes there's places called foster homes that people go stay in, and the adults that live there really want to help and they want to take care of those kids. And the goal of foster care is that they eventually go back home, or sometimes they get adopted and they get to stay with that family. Foster care is really important because it helps keep kids safe.
So these bags are called Sweet Case kits. We decorate the outside panel and then that is Velcroed onto the front. The inside of the sweet cases are filled with teddy bears, coloring books, crayons, toothbrush, and a blanket. These bags are designed so that kids in foster care can take duffel bags with them to and from their different placements or back to their home when it is time, and that way they aren't carrying trash bags through the foster care system. That is a huge issue in foster care, is oftentimes kids need to leave so quickly or are so unprepared to leave that they don't even get to take some of their most precious items and are forced to put clothing into a trash bag because they might not have a duffel bag on hand. And so these bags are really designed to give kids in foster care back their worth and their dignity, and let them know that they are loved and that somebody put time and care into this bag. And my kids were just so excited to participate. The best part about this grant is that we get to do it for the next 5 years, thanks to the Hambrick Foundation, and I think that's really wonderful. So this morning when the kids came in to explain the project to them, we listened to a story called Just Help, which is a story all about service projects and building a better world. So we talk a lot in my classroom about how they can help. And the main question posed in that book is, how will you help today? So how we helped today is we did our Sweet Case kits.
A service project means it's a project that you do to help other people. I personally feel so good when I help other people. Can you give me a me too if you feel good when you help other people? And I have something to tell you. If you try your best and you always do your best to help other people will help you too when you need it. So there's been lots of times in Miss Little's life when I needed some help and people were there for me.
I do want to give a big thank you to the Hambrick Foundation for funding this grant, obviously to Foster Love for providing us with the Sweet Case kit materials, and then also to my fellow resource teachers, paraprofessionals, and administration that helped me create this project and make it happen.